Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can repost a video on the spotlight section on Snapchat. So you are going to go to the play button here to go to spotlight, and for instance you want to repost a video. I want to repost this one, so I'm just going to select this repost section here, select it, and it's going to be reposted. People will able to see that you've reposted it as well. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Goodbye.